Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm out of my league again tonight. Somebody asked for help, and I think I've got it figured out, but I just don't understand. As a laser engraver, this is a terrible picture, and this is a terrible cup, but that's what they sent me, and they wanted it behind this person's hand. And it kind of already is. Because you just put it to the back of the page. And also the picture of this hand is huge. So with it selected, let's crop it. So this video is not going to help too many people. But there's really no, this is it is a bitmap. But let's go and trace it. Outline, trace, clip art just for grins. And you get a good shape. Now I'm going to take that shape and I'm going to left click, right click. And I'm going to use this cup as a pattern kind of deal. So I am going to nudge this over just a little bit more. And then this is maybe a little unorthodox, but I'm going to draw a line right here through that arm. And I'm going to nudge this back over and nudge my line over. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of this, Control D, and move it down. And I'm going to take the left side of one side of the arm and the right side of the other side. So I have two separate items here. And let's nudge that back up. And then I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to get a color. But then I'm going to take my color eyedropper tool and grab that color of that arm and make it that color. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm going to make that a color, grab the eyedropper tool, get that hand color, and put it in. And so now I've got two separate subjects or entities. And I can remove that red line, and you won't be able to see it here in a second. Matter of fact, we'll go and see if I can't remove that red line. Don't ever move things, nudge things out of the way. And let's just get rid of that red. Matter of fact, we can get rid of the outline. We do not need the outline of the hand anymore. So let's nudge this back. And this, some people that really know the transformation docker might be laughing pretty good right now because I have no clue what I'm doing. Still got that red line, and then you see I'm moving stuff away, and I shouldn't be, but I think I can get it back close enough. So I would not do this, I would nudge it. But anyway, so we got two separate viewings there, and I'm gonna take the transformation and I play around with this very little bit uniformed, and then you can, she wants to be able to see the cup kind of through the hand. I do not understand. As a laser engraver, we don't do this. But then you can slide this bar, which is just the transparency bar, and you can make it where the hand goes away. But I'm not real proud of this video because I really don't know what I'm doing. But that way you could have the hand, maybe she's a printer. Maybe tomorrow when she watches that, she'll let me know. But anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. And thank you for watching.